There is a moment right before the arc strikes where everything holds its breath. Power meets steel. And what follows is pure precision. Notice how the arc remains stable, the metal parting cleanly, leaving a smooth, sharp edge. That's the advantage of a quality plasma cutter. Controlled power, predictable results. Every spark you see is 200 amps of focused energy, turning solid steel into separated shapes. And because we maintain consistent speed and amperage, the finish requires minimal post-processing. That is the art of modern metal fabrication. It is ideal for PEB, construction, shipbuilding, and transportation applications. The Plajet 200X plasma source from Taiwan Plasma Corporation delivers faster cutting speeds, superior edge quality, and consistent heavy-duty performance, enabling higher productivity with minimal rework. If you value the quiet power of true engineering, make sure to hit subscribe. For equipment like this, built for the Indian industry, visit Sai Weld India. Links are waiting for you in the description below. Until next time, keep your cuts clean.